Okay, hello everyone. So I wanted to make a video basically using Hermes with QWEN 3.6, their latest model release. And what I want to do with that is create an X automation that lets you generate X posts with with an image, and then it lets you either regenerate it or publish it if you like it. Um, so it just finished generating all of this. I actually had recorded this, but I didn't have my audio wasn't recording because the headset was off, but basically I'll try and summarize everything that it did. Well, I want to show you the prompt for sure. Um, let's see. So the prompt that I used for this is right here. It's pretty straightforward. Nothing too nothing too big. But anyway, I fed it this prompt in the plan mode. It has a planning skill, like a lot of other vibe coding tools do. But basically, I did that, and then I'll try and load the web page to see if it's working. Alright, so this is what it looks like. This is it basically one-shot this. I think it looks pretty good. So this is kind of interesting. You can kind of just kind of steer it into the direction you want to go. That's kind of cool. None of this is going to work yet because I don't have the API keys set up. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and then once I get all that entered, I'll actually try it and see if it works. Okay, so I got the API keys posted in, so the open router keys are definitely working. But it looks like there's an error with the image generation key, so I'm going to try to debug this and see if it works. Okay, so quick update here. I'm doing a little bit of debugging. Uh, I'm doing a little bit of debugging here because there's an issue with it extracting the image that generated, but all I did was sent it documentation from OpenRouter. I sent it docs for the Gemini model that is used for image gen, um, and it should be able to fix everything now. So whenever this finishes, I'll go ahead and try again and see if it works. Okay, so I just tried again here. It seems like it keeps having problems, but for example up here, it won't be able to successfully publish because there's too many characters. So I'll have to figure out how to do that, and then I got the same issue again. So I'm just debugging some more, and then I'll update whenever it's done. Okay. So it looks like it actually successfully created an image, which I think it looks pretty good personally, for just kind of like starting out. But let's see if this actually works. Yeah, so I figured this wouldn't because dealing with API keys in X is a huge pain. But I'm gonna try to figure out why it's not working. I suspect I don't have the API keys correct. So I'm gonna go fix that. Alright, so I keep running into these issues here. Um, it's been like almost 2 hours at this point trying to debug stuff, so I think I'm probably just gonna call it quits here. Everything else worked. The text generation works, the image generation looks fine. I was having issues actually posting to the X account, so I might revisit this later using a different model to actually get things going because I know um, I know that Opus or GPT 5.5 wouldn't have any issue with this, but anyway, I'll probably make another video updating everything.